Ever stared at a glowing neon sign and wondered, is that thing actually safe? We see them everywhere, buzzing advertisements, retro chic decor, even in some of our gadgets. But behind that vibrant glow lies a question that's been buzzing around for a while. Are neon lights actually safe? Let's break it down. Neon lights traditionally use noble gases like neon, argon, and krypton. These gases are inherently stable and non-reactive, meaning they don't readily combine with other elements. That's a big plus for safety, right? But here's the catch. To get those gases glowing, you need electricity. And electricity, my friends, can be tricky. Electrical hazards. The high voltage used to excite the gases can pose a serious shock hazard. Faulty wiring or damaged tubes can lead to electrical shorts, potentially causing fires. Always ensure neon installations are done by qualified professionals who adhere to strict safety codes. UV radiation. While minimal, some UV radiation is emitted during the neon's operation. Prolonged exposure, especially close to the tube, could potentially increase your risk of skin damage. However, the levels are generally considered low and unlikely to pose a significant health risk for most people. Mercury in older signs. Older neon signs might contain small amounts of mercury. Mercury is a toxic substance, and proper disposal of these older signs is crucial to prevent environmental contamination. Safety precautions. Proper installation. Always hire licensed electricians for installation and repairs. Ensure proper grounding and circuit protection to minimize electrical hazards. Regular maintenance. Regular inspections can identify and address potential issues before they become serious. This includes checking for loose connections, damaged wires, and signs of wear and tear. Safe disposal. Properly dispose of old neon signs, especially those containing mercury. Contact your local waste management agency for guidance on proper disposal methods. LED neon flex. These flexible LED strips mimic the look of traditional neon but are safer and more energy efficient. They operate at much lower voltages and generate less heat, making them a safer option for many applications. So, are neons safe? The short answer is yes, generally. When installed and maintained correctly, modern neon lights pose minimal risks. However, it's crucial to be aware of the potential hazards and take the necessary precautions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.